Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move application to SD card on Android phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you can scroll down to find the app setting, and this is the app setting, so just tap on it. After that, you can select the application that you want to move to your SD card, but you have to remember guys that not all of the application can be moved to SD card. As far as I know, the application that can be moved to the SD card is applications such as Telegram, Instagram, and CapCut. So you have to check it first before you move the application to your SD card. And for example, I'm going to move Instagram to my SD card, so just tap on Instagram. Then after that, you can click on storage right here. Click on storage, and you can change the storage right here. As you can see that this Instagram is in the internal storage, so I'm going to move it to SD card like this. Okay, and after that we can click on move, and we have to wait until 100%. Alright guys, and now the Instagram application has been moved to SD card, and that's how we can move application to SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.